Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something interesting, and that is how can you use YouTube productively. We all use YouTube for different purposes, but there are certain features already available within YouTube which you may not be using. So this is the first part of the series where I'm going to share 10 YouTube related tips which will help you to use YouTube efficiently. I'm in process to record another video where I'm going to share 10 more tips on the same subject. So without wasting much time, let's get into the first tip of this particular video. Now we all search our videos after opening YouTube, but there is one option available using which you can do it directly from search bar. Now let me go to Google homepage. There in the address bar, if you just start typing youtube.com and then you hit tab, then now you can see that option has been changed, that search YouTube. And now here if you type anything, it will show you those options from YouTube only. So let me type something. Maybe Shandip Banerjee Google Drive, right? And if I hit enter, it will show me all those results I'm looking for within YouTube. So without opening YouTube, just from Google homepage, you can directly search YouTube. Now coming to tip number 2. If I come back again in YouTube homepage and I want to search a specific video within a specific channel, so how can I do that? So if I go to this channel, maybe if I just pick this one, and if I go to the channel homepage, there you will be able to find one icon here, that is search. So now if you search something here, it will pull out the video from this channel only. It will not go anywhere else. Now if I go to maybe my page only, and there if I want to search any specific video, how can I do that? If you follow my mouse, there is one search icon here. In this particular search option, if I type anything, it will pull out the video from this channel only. So let me type something, maybe Google Meet. And if I search, it will show all those videos related to Google Meet from this particular channel only. Maybe you are following one of the content creator within YouTube and you may want to search a specific topic for that person only, that whatever they published. So using this particular method, you can search. Now coming to tip number 3, we all use YouTube for quite some time, right? On maybe daily basis, we spend some good amount of time. Now YouTube normally comes with this particular white theme, right? So everything in the background you can see white. Now there is a dark theme available. Now how to enable that? Now if you click on this profile picture and if you follow my mouse, you can see one option is here, appearance device theme. So if you click there, now there is an option for the dark theme. So let me click on that. Now you can see dark theme has been enabled. And this is soothing for our eyes and specifically for the night time. So this is our third tip, how to enable dark theme within YouTube. Now moving to tip number 4, we all wanted to maintain a specific recommendation for our YouTube homepage. We only want those videos which we are interested for, right? But maybe think of a situation where you may have searched for a music video for only for fun, for any specific reason, but you don't want to see those type of contents again in future. Whenever it required, you may search separately, but you don't want it in your recommendation. So how to do that? Let me show you one option here. If you right click on your Chrome, you will be able to see one option, that is new incognito window. If you go there, and once the new browser will open, there you can just type youtube.com, then tab, and then you can search for whatever the video you are looking for, maybe new Hindi songs, right? And then it will show you all those recommendations what you are looking for. Now this is the way you can protect your YouTube recommendations. So now I search for new Hindi songs, but in the future, whenever I'll maybe refresh this browser, those type of videos will not come to my feed. So this is the way you can protect your YouTube recommendations. Now coming to tip number 5, and this is very interesting. What happens whenever we open YouTube, it shows that some of the recommended video. But what if maybe you have subscribed to some 10-15 channels and you wanted to see all those new videos those creators published recently? Here I can see some videos which are maybe 5 days ago and some of the 10 months ago also, right? So I wanted to only see all those newly published videos of my subscribed channel. So let me show you how can you do that. If I open any of the new tab and I just type youtube.com, then /feed and then /subscriptions. Now it will show you all those newly published videos from your subscribed channel only. You can see today only 4 videos got published from my subscribed channel. This is my test channel, so where I have some limited number of subscriptions. That's why this number is lower. You can say yesterday, this week, that's the way you will be able to see. So this is another way you can customize your YouTube experience. You can just save it as a bookmark, and in future you can just open this particular link. Hopefully this particular tip will be helpful for you. Now coming to tip number 6, and that is again in the same line of YouTube recommendations. Now if I go to this YouTube homepage, now I can see some 8 videos are being shown here, right? Maybe I don't want this particular type of video to be recommended to me later. So how can you do that? Maybe by mistake some recommendations came and you want to avoid that kind of recommendations in future. So you can pass that particular recommendation to YouTube algorithm. How can you do that? If you go to this particular video and 3 dots, there couple of options are there. One is not interested, which means YouTube will not recommend you this type of video in future. And if you don't want to see video from this particular channel, so once you do that, any video from that channel will not come to your recommendations. So this was our tip number 6. Now, whenever we are talking about different YouTube tips, I also have a couple of more videos where I talked about different Google Chrome related tips using which you can also enhance your experience. I will add those links in the description below. If you are interested, just check those out. Now coming to tip number 8, and that is to search a specific word within a YouTube video. Maybe you already watched a particular video and you wanted to go back again. Let me open one. I think this one is already open here. And if I want to go and search for a specific word there, so how can I do? If you click on these 3 dots, you will be able to see one option that is open transcript. So once it will open, you will be able to search within this text that if you're using for a specific word. So let me show you how can you do that. Earlier when I watched this particular video, I can remember one specific word, DevOps playlist, right? Now from my keyboard, if I just invoke that find option, Control F, and then playlist of DevOps. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see it's showing here playlist of DevOps. And if I just click here, my video pointer will go specific to that particular location. And I'll be able to watch whatever I was looking for. This is one of the useful thing, and maybe is very specifically important for a maybe longer tutorial kind of a video where you may remember something, okay, the trainer or the instructor told something. If I want to go back to that, you don't need to seek through using this progress bar. Instead of that, you can enable this open transcript, and from browser integrated feature of finding something, that is in the Windows computer Control F, or in the Mac it's Command F, you will be able to just type that word and you will be able to get in the specific location of this particular video. Hopefully it will be helpful. Now coming to point number 9, and that is again specifically helpful for a longer format of video, or maybe a video where you want to cover quickly. Now you can change speed of the video playback for any of the YouTube video. If you go and click on these settings, you will be able to see one option, playback speed. If you click there, you will be getting multiple options. that is normal, 1.25, 1.5, all those things. Maybe you can try first with 1.25. If you are comfortable, you can try 1.5 also. I sometimes recommend in my channel to watch my videos in 1.5 speed because sometimes I speak slowly. Now you can check that. Now another option is here. If you click on this custom, you will be able to select a specific speed, and that is also in very granular level. So just check that, and I think it will be helpful for some kind of a video which you can complete quickly than the normal speed. Coming to the 10th and the final tip of this particular video, and that is to watch later. Sometimes what happens, maybe in our YouTube homepage, whenever we open, we see some of the content. But maybe I don't have time now to watch that, and I wanted to maybe check that out later. How to do that very quickly? If you go to this any of the video, maybe if you want to watch this particular video later, just go to these three dots and just click on Save to Watch Later. Watch Later is a playlist which is created by YouTube by default for all users. So you already have this playlist in your account. If you go to this left pane, you will be able to see there is one option, Watch Later. If you click that, you'll be able to see now I have just added this particular video so that I can watch it later. Now another good feature of Watch Later playlist, once you will watch this particular video, it will disappear from your Watch Later playlist. So if you want to maintain it in that way, maybe you got some recommendations where maybe 5-6 videos you wanted to watch later, you can use this particular feature. So hopefully these 10 tips will definitely help you to use YouTube more efficiently. If you want to learn more such tips, I'm going to publish another video, and that will be added in the end video card of this particular video. I'll also add a link in the description below. Check that out if you're interested. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. Just hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.